Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southern Addicks Park 10, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Sugar Land, Bel Air, Humble, West University Place, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Jersey Village, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Midtown Houston, Downtown Houston, North Side, or Northline, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, Spring Branch North, 2nd Ward, Greater Greens Point, Greater Heights, Mission Bend, and Nartown, or Montrose. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.